Okay, my previous post is the first video. This is my second video. I want to show you the difference of how this flushes and how it fills now. This is not really the paper we want going down here, but it's all I have to work with while I'm here. He's going to switch. Right now it's flushing so good it's even taking these thick ones down. I'll confirm that the sewer line's wide open before I leave as well, by making sure everything's flushing past the clean out. Let me show you this one. This one was real slow, and I'll show you why. We had extra rubbers in these. So whoever tuned up the toilet or put these parts in got a few things wrong. I don't know if it was a handyman or homeowner, but number one, this was not facing in there, which would affect the flushing of it. And then what we had these extra rubbers in here. All right, so you're seeing right now this one that they said wouldn't flush one time the right way. They can still plug it with this thick paper, I can guarantee it. You put enough of it in, but as I told them in the previous video, if you are able, I can almost certainly plug this toilet with that. But as I said in the previous video, if you are able to plunge it open, then it's just too much of what you're putting in it. Whether it's hard stool, whether it's the paper, but it's nothing stuck in the trap. If there's something stuck in the trap, you have to use a piece of equipment like that. Look at how this fills now, sir. I may plug it. I put a ton in there, okay?
Yeah.
But I still didn't.
My son just brought
See how that's filled? Scott, yeah, that's it. That's the good stuff right there.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'll buy some of that.
That's the Plumbers tested one. But nothing else, you know, especially wipes are the worst. You know, the wipes that we talked about.
All right,
That's
promise I won't use them anymore.
But look at how that's filling now. So there was an extra rubber in this supply line.
Yeah.
Okay, and so that's what would make it kind of infrequent on one, or completely that way on this one if this is sideways. That's why I couldn't consistently get good water pressure out of this one, okay?
So like
but now you see how quick it fills?
Yeah.
Boom.
Oh, yeah.
It's ready to rock and roll.
So
It's flushing great. Every time I flush these toilets, each one of them almost 20 times each with paper in them.
Yeah.
So we got good flushing right now. So that's good news, okay?
Excellent.
So you should be fine. Look, if you do clog it, it may need plunge. But I was just saying on that video that explaining this situation, this is a good way to explain it to people. If there's something in the trap, right, you won't be able to get it to work with a plunger.
Okay.
I got to use an auger on it.
Okay.
Do you see what I'm saying? But if it's not in the trap, you know, you'll be able to make it run. I mean, I'm a plumber, so I don't believe in plungers.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
But at home, guess what I do? I use Scots, but once in a while, even with the Scots, if the kids use too much, I'll end up plunging it with this thing.
Oh, okay.
and push that thick stuff through. You know what I'm saying?
All right.
But because I don't want to go out to the truck and get the auger. But I use Scots at home, so very rarely do I have anything plug up. If you used enough, you can get it to plug. You know what I mean?
Okay.
But it's a lot harder to plug than this stuff. And most importantly, with single ply, it won't catch on something and build up in the sewer and cause a mainline blockage. But like I told you, you'll know it's a mainline blockage if everything is. It's taking to take everything. Other than that, it's only the toilet, okay? But it should work a lot better for you now.